All right, this video is to help with section 5.4, question number 5, doing some synthetic division. And we're going to do our little setup where we draw the window and draw a long line. And remember, the answer goes in the window. So if I set this thing to 0 and solved it, I would get answer of -2. So I'm going to put that in the window. And then I'm going to list my coefficient along the top. The tricky part about this one is we are missing an x cubed. So you have to go in order. So I have an x to the 4th and an x squared. But in my setup, I'm going to have a 0 because I don't have any x cubes. Okay, so along the top, they have to go in order. So I have 1x to the 4th, no x cubes, -5x squared, 4x to the 1st, and then a constant of 12, right? And if you forget that 0, you're going to get all messed up. So make sure you have that placeholder 0 there, right? They have to go in order of exponents. Don't skip any exponents. All right, from here, it's just do the synthetic division. So add going down to get 1, multiply with the window. So 1 times -2, add is -2, multiply with the window, -2 times -2 is 4, add going down, -5 and 4, multiply with the window, -2 times -1, add going down to get 6, and then multiply with the window, -2 times +6 is -12, and we actually get no remainder here, remainder 0. Okay, so these parts down here, if I just label them, I always start here remainder, then it's constant, and then just raise the exponent by 1. X to the 1st, x squared, x cubed. So our full answer is 1x cubed, -2x squared, minus 1x to the 1st, plus constant of 6, and remainder of 0. You don't have to technically write that remainder 0 there. Normally, if you get a remainder 0, you just don't write it, but I guess for our answer blanks, we do have to put a 0 there. And then I have 1x cubed, -2x squared, -1x, and constant of 6. All right, so hopefully that helps. Yeah, thanks for watching.